handsome fellow is Charleston. Whoops.
Excellent tennis player.
Are you a good tennis player? Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Excellent tennis player, excellent snuggler. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautifully taken care of. So this is Charleston. He didn't like my treats. Didn't like my treats, so there's not too much we can do about that. So Charleston. Other dogs are coming out that he wants to mate. So this is Charleston. Come here. Come here. I know there's another doggy there. Come here. Let's come over here. Come on. Yeah. Comes when he's called. Woo! With a good soccer move. Good soccer move. Good job. So Charleston, he's at Manhattan Animal Care and Control. Come here, you. Come here, you. So you can take the ball right out of his mouth. There's no guarding of that tennis ball. Just happy to play and happy to make friends. And
he had 2 dogs come at him in the park, nothing.
Good job. Good boy. So this is Charleston. He's at Manhattan Animal Care and Control. Do you like to snuggle with the ball? Do you like to snuggle with the ball? Gorgeous, gorgeous dog, Charleston, Manhattan. Can we get a finale shot here of that gorgeous face? Charleston, Manhattan Animal Care.